If you are like me and you are always searching for the best ways you can save money on data, then this video is for you. This video is for anybody that uses MTN in Ghana. You know, the star 138 bundles have become too expensive these days. And so this bundle is just for you. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Then also, if you disagree with anything I'm talking about, just leave your comments in the comment section and let's dive straight to the video. So welcome everybody. My name is Joshua. This is Daily News Hive, where we talk about tech, we talk about money, and we talk about agriculture. And so if you're interested in any of these topics, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let's dive straight into the video. So bundles in Ghana are very expensive, but right now we need data for everything. MTN is one of the network that a lot of Ghanaians use. And so when the star 138 bundles have become this expensive, it affects everybody. And then they also run like water. Yeah, so this is a new bundle short code I use and I wanted to share with you guys. And so the short code you're going to use is star 141 hash. It's called the Just For Me bundles. And the great thing about this Just For Me bundles is that it's a package that everybody has and is unique to everybody. And so instead of spending 10 cities to get 700 and something megabytes, on the Just For Me bundles, you can get sometimes even 5 cities you can get 5 cities for 1 gig. Sometimes you can even get 2 cities for 1 gig. And every day is different and every day is unique. And so the Just For Me bundles are great and they're amazing. So let's go into how to use it. So you just take your phone, dial star 141 hash. And then after you do that, you go to the menu, you choose a Just For You offers, then go to special bundles. Then after that, you select the package you have. But there's one thing that you have to take note of in this bundle. You can't buy it with mobile money. As compared to the star 138 bundles where you could use Momo to buy the package, you can't do that with the Just For Me bundles. The Just For Me bundles, you have to have airtime before you begin the whole process. But the other thing about the Just For Me bundles you have to take note also is that they change every day. So the packages you get vary from day to day. So if you like, what I do is that I check like maybe 2-3 days and I select the package I want. Now you will know for the Just For Me bundles, they are not unlimited like the star 138 bundle. So you see maybe 5 gig for maybe 10 cities lasting for 2 to 3 days. And so what you do is that what I do personally is that when I get the opportunity, I just buy like two of the 5 gigs or 2 of the 10 gigs and just keep on buying it. That's what I do. So that, but sometimes you go the next day and the bundles are more expensive. You can go the third day and they are cheaper. You don't know what you get. And so that's the advantage of the Just For Me bundles. They are cheaper and then they last longer than the star 138 bundles. And so we've come to the end of the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you guys next time. Okay, so let's begin. So you're going to dial star 141 hash. When you do, the menu is going to appear. And then you see that there are various offers there. We have 1.4 gig for 15 CDs. We have 1.4 gig for 15 days for 14 CDs. 1.17 gig 30-day pack for 17 CDs. So you just scroll through and then go to the next page. There are even more offers there and choose what you want. Afterwards, you confirm it. So we are going to choose the 1.4 gig for 15 days and then confirm it. Now remember that before you begin, you need to have deposited money and you need to have bought an airtime. You can't use Momo to take advantage of the package. So thank you guys for watching and then see you next time.